I wake up in the cracks with my name on the wall. I smile for the mirror, then I barely stand tall. There's a storm in my ribs, and it knows where to stay. I keep folding it in, but it won't go away. If you look too close, you might see me shake. I've been holding my heart like a plate that might break. I don't need a rescue, just a hand for a while. Something soft in the dark to help me make it to light. I'm broken inside, I'm broken inside. Hold me together tonight. I'm broken inside. I'm barely alive. Say my name, stay close by. I'm broken inside. There are rooms in my head I don't dare to go in, full of cold little echoes in the shape of my skin. I've been good at the mask, at the nod and the grin, but the truth sits heavy like a stone in my hands. If you hear me go quiet, that's the sound of the ache. I've been carrying fear like a fault line to break. I don't need all the answers, I just need you to stay. When my world turns to static and the color drains away, I'm broken inside, I'm broken inside. Hold me together tonight. I'm broken inside. Would you run, would you go? There's a child in this darkness, still calling me home. So I open my hands, let the